Good morning, students. Welcome to Hashtag Maths Adda. My name is Master Rakesh. This is the simple interest part 13. The question is like this: Geeta deposited rupees. This is the rupees symbol 7,600 in a bank. She withdrew rupees 3,000 after 2 years. Okay. At the end of 7 years, she received an amount of rupees 8038. Find the rate of interest. Okay, so mota moti, what is the total years? Total years 7. This is the total years. Okay, so she received an amount of 7 years. After 7 at the end of 7 years, she received an amount of itna amount at the end of 7 years. How much? Rupees 8038. This is she received 8038. Okay, now we are collecting information, then we'll solve it. Okay, deposited means principal amount. So she deposited 7,600 in a bank, withdrew 3,000. So 7,600 she deposited, she withdraws 3,000. Okay, so after 2 years, this was she withdrew. Okay, 7,600 means this amount was kept for 2 years. So SI let rate of interest R SI for 2 years, SI1 for 2 years equal to P into R into T upon 100. Okay, T equal to here 2 years. Okay, P into R into T, 7,600 into R will be R 2 upon 100. 20 से 20 cancels. So 76 2s are 152 R. SI1 for 2 years 152 R. Okay, now you got the value of SI1. Now we have to find out the value of next 5 years, because total years is 5 years. 5 means 2 and 2 plus 5, because 2 years one amount invested, she withdrew after 2 years some amount, and balance were put for 5 years. It means balance were put for 5 years. So what is the balance after, if she withdrew? So withdrew amount after 2 years, amount after 2 years will be 7,600 minus 3,000. So 7 minus 3, 4,600. Okay, amount after 2 years will be 4,600. So this 4,600 will be kept for 5 years. This amount will be kept for T equal to 5 years. T equal to 5 years. This will be the amount 4,600, T equal to 5 years. So you will have to find out the value SI2 for 5 years on amount 4,000. P into R into T upon 100. Okay, because this is kept for 5 years, amount will be this one. Okay, 5, oh sorry, don't cut, direct 2 zeros is 2 0 cancel. 46 into 5, 5 6 the 30, 0 3, 5 4 the 20, 23, 230 R. So SI2 for 5 years will be 230 R. One is 152 R, another one is 230 R. There are two SIs. Okay, so what is the interest earned in 5 years? If I'll ask you what is the interest earned in 5 years, so interest, what was the total interest in 7 years? 8038 amount minus what was she withdrew after 2 years? 4600. What was the balance? 4600. Means it was kept for 5 years. So we are breaking down for 5 years only. Okay, for the 2 years, we already, after 2 years she withdrew 3000 rupees, total was itna, so the balance was kept for 5 years. So we will minus for the 5 years, because total it is at the end of 7 years. 7 minus 5, 7 minus 2 years wala will get, so rest we will get for 5 years. 8 minus 0 8, 3 minus 0 3, 10 minus 6 4, 7 minus 4 3, 3 4 3 8. So interest earned in 3 years 3 4 3 8. So total means SI1, if you add SI1 plus SI2, 2 years का interest plus 2 years का interest till 2 years, rest 5 years का interest will be rupees 3438. So total interest earned in 5 years will be SI1 plus SI2 equal to itna. SI1 plus SI2 equal to itna. SI1 is how much? SI1 152 R. How much SI2? 230 R equal to 3438. So 202 538 213 82 R equal to 3438. Okay, then what will be the R? Becomes 3438 equal to 382. R equal to, now you will have to divide. So 2 say 17 19 202 19 9 times, it goes 9 times. So R equal to 9%. So R will be the 9% rate, thus the rate of interest will be 9%. So this is all about the question. So thank you very much for like, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you very much for watching out the channel.